We'll guide you through how to apply border in image in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, click the Windows Start menu on your desktop and use the search field to find Google Chrome. Open the browser from the search results and wait for it to load. Next, enter Figma into the address bar and press Enter to search. Select the official Figma website from the results page. Verify that you're logged into your Figma account, as this is required to access your files and editing workspace. After logging in, the main Figma dashboard will open in your browser, allowing you to continue with your design project. For this tutorial, create a new project by clicking the plus design button on the dashboard. Once selected, the editor will open and display a blank canvas where you can begin working. There are two ways to apply a border to an image in Figma. The first method is by dragging an image directly from your computer onto the canvas. To do this, locate the photo you want to use on your computer. Click and hold the image file, then drag it onto the Figma canvas and release the mouse button. The image will be imported automatically and placed on the canvas. Once the image is selected, move to the design panel on the right side of the screen and locate the stroke section. Enable the stroke option, and a border will immediately appear around your image. You can further customize the border color, thickness, and position if needed. The second method starts by using a shape as a container for your image. First, select the rectangle tool from the toolbar. Move your cursor onto the canvas and draw a rectangle with the size and dimensions you prefer. After creating the rectangle, go to the design panel on the right side of the screen and click the color square underneath the fill label. In the fill options, choose image instead of solid color. Next, click Upload from Computer and browse your device for the image you want to use. Select the image file and click Open. Figma will automatically place the image inside the rectangle shape. Once the image has been applied, locate the stroke section in the design panel and enable it. A border will immediately appear around the image-filled rectangle.